Most people think wealth is built through exciting decisions, a hot stock, a side hustle that explodes overnight, a lucky investment that suddenly doubles. But if you study people who quietly become wealthy, you notice something surprising. Their financial lives often look incredibly boring. No dramatic moves, no constant market predictions, no daily obsession with financial news, just a handful of simple habits repeated for years. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The habits most people skip are often the exact habits that build the most wealth. If you've ever felt like you're working hard but not getting ahead financially, this video may completely change how you think about money. Because the biggest financial advantage rarely comes from doing something extraordinary. It usually comes from doing ordinary things for an extraordinarily long time. Think about a tree. When you plant it, nothing exciting happens. Weeks pass, months pass. Sometimes it barely looks different. But underground, the roots are expanding, and one day, the growth becomes impossible to ignore. Wealth often works exactly the same way. The problem is that most people only pay attention to visible growth. They want results they can see immediately. Unfortunately, money rewards patience far more than excitement. Let's start with one of the most boring habits in personal finance: paying yourself first. Imagine two people who both earn $70,000 per year. The first person saves whatever money is left at the end of the month. The second person automatically moves $500 into savings the moment their paycheck arrives. At first, their lifestyles look almost identical, but after a few years, the difference becomes enormous. Why? Because the first person is relying on willpower, the second person is relying on a system. And systems almost always beat motivation. Motivation is like weather. Some days it's sunny, some days it's stormy. Systems keep working regardless of how you feel. This is why automatic savings accounts quietly outperform good intentions. Every month becomes another brick added to the wall. Nothing dramatic happens, but eventually the wall becomes impossible to ignore. The next boring habit is tracking spending. Most people hate this idea immediately. It sounds restrictive, it sounds tedious, it sounds like homework. But here's what makes it powerful. You cannot improve what you cannot see. Imagine trying to lose weight without ever stepping on a scale, or trying to improve your fitness without knowing whether you're getting stronger. Money works the same way. Awareness changes behavior. A surprising number of people know exactly how much they earn, but they have almost no idea where their money actually goes. A few streaming subscriptions, several food delivery orders, impulse purchases that seemed harmless at the time. None of them look dangerous individually, but together they create financial leaks. Think of a bucket with tiny holes. One hole doesn't matter much. A dozen holes eventually empty the entire bucket. Tracking spending helps you find those holes before they become expensive habits. Another boring habit that builds enormous wealth is avoiding lifestyle inflation. This is one of the most overlooked financial traps in modern life. Imagine receiving a raise. Your income increases by $500 per month. Most people immediately find ways to spend that extra money. A better car, more expensive restaurants, more shopping, a larger apartment. Soon the raise disappears. The income went up, but financial progress didn't. Now imagine a different approach. Instead of spending the entire raise, you invest most of it. Your lifestyle improves slightly. Your future improves dramatically. This isn't about deprivation. It's about directing growth instead of automatically spending it. Many people believe wealth comes from earning more. In reality, wealth often comes from keeping more of what you earn. The next habit is so boring that many people completely underestimate it: building an emergency fund. An emergency fund isn't exciting. Nobody posts screenshots of their emergency fund on social media. Nobody brags about having 6 months of expenses saved, but it might be one of the most powerful financial tools you can own. Imagine your car suddenly needs a $2,000 repair. Without savings, the expense becomes a crisis. Credit cards appear, debt begins, stress explodes. Now, imagine the same situation with an emergency fund. The problem still exists, but it doesn't become a financial disaster. The repair gets paid, life continues. This is why emergency funds create something more valuable than money. They create options, and options create freedom. Let's talk about another habit that almost nobody finds exciting: consistent investing. Notice the word consistent. Not aggressive, not risky, not exciting, consistent. Many beginners spend years looking for the perfect investment. Meanwhile, Experienced investors focus on something far more important: actually investing regularly. Imagine two investors. The first spends years waiting for the perfect market opportunity. The second invests every month, regardless of headlines. 10 years later, the second investor often wins, not because they were smarter, because they spent more time in the market. Think of investing like planting seeds. You don't dig up the garden every week to check progress. You plant, you water, you wait. Time does the heavy lifting. One reason boring habits work so well is because they remove emotional decision-making, and emotions are often the biggest enemy of wealth. When markets rise, excitement encourages people to take unnecessary risks. When markets fall, fear encourages people to sell. Neither reaction usually helps. Boring systems create stability. They allow good decisions to continue even when emotions become loud. This brings us to another habit wealthy people quietly practice: ignoring financial entertainment. Notice I didn't say ignoring financial education. Those are very different things. Financial education helps you make better decisions. Financial entertainment often encourages constant action, and constant action is not always productive. Imagine checking your investment account 10 times every day. The market moves slightly, your emotions move dramatically, stress increases, anxiety increases, the urge to react increases. Now, imagine checking occasionally while focusing on long-term goals. The investments haven't changed, but your behavior improves. Sometimes doing less creates better results. Another boring habit is avoiding unnecessary debt. Debt often promises immediate satisfaction. The cost arrives later: a new gadget, a luxury purchase, a vacation you couldn't truly afford. Everything feels manageable at first. Then monthly payments begin multiplying. Soon, part of every paycheck belongs to decisions made months or years ago. Debt quietly steals future income, and future income is one of your most valuable assets. Imagine carrying a backpack. One book feels light, another book feels fine, then another, and another. Eventually, the weight becomes exhausting. Debt works similarly. Each payment seems manageable. Combined, they slow financial progress dramatically. Now let's discuss something that sounds incredibly boring, but has life-changing consequences: increasing your skills. Many people focus entirely on cutting expenses, but income matters too. Sometimes, the highest return investment isn't in the stock market, it's in yourself. Learning a new skill, improving communication, developing expertise, earning certifications, building professional value. These improvements may increase your earning power for decades. Imagine spending $500 learning a valuable skill that helps you earn an extra $5,000 every year. That's a return most investments would struggle to match. Yet many people ignore this opportunity because skill building feels slow. Once again, boring wins. Another habit wealthy people practice is delaying gratification. This habit appears repeatedly in personal finance. A purchase becomes tempting. Instead of buying immediately, they wait, sometimes 24 hours, sometimes a week, sometimes longer. What's fascinating is how many purchases disappear once time enters the equation. Excitement fades. Logic returns. Better decisions emerge. Think of impulse spending like a wave. If you react instantly, the wave controls you. If you wait, the wave passes. Patience often saves thousands of dollars over a lifetime. Now, let's connect all of these habits together. Automatic saving, spending awareness, avoiding lifestyle inflation, emergency funds, consistent investing, managing emotions, avoiding unnecessary debt, building skills, delaying gratification. None of these habits are exciting. None of them will make dramatic headlines. None of them create instant wealth. That's exactly why most people ignore them. They're looking for shortcuts. They're looking for speed. They're looking for something more exciting. But wealth doesn't usually reward excitement. It rewards consistency. Imagine climbing a staircase. Each step seems insignificant. One step changes nothing. 10 steps don't feel impressive, but hundreds of steps eventually take you somewhere completely different. Financial habits work the same way. The challenge is that success happens gradually. You don't notice it day to day. You barely notice it month to month. But years later, the difference becomes extraordinary. A person with strong money habits often appears lucky from the outside. People see the results. They don't see the thousands of small decisions that created them. They don't see the automatic transfers, the disciplined investing, the skipped impulse purchases, the emergency savings, the patience, the consistency. Those quiet decisions are where wealth is actually actually built. And perhaps that's the most important lesson of all. Financial success is rarely a single decision. It's usually a collection of small decisions repeated over and over again. The world constantly encourages you to chase the next exciting opportunity. But the biggest wealth-building habits are often the ones nobody talks about. They're boring, they're repetitive, they're easy to overlook, and they work anyway. So the next time a flashy financial trend promises quick results, remember this: the habits that feel boring today may be building the financial freedom you'll enjoy years from now. Because in personal finance, the quietest habits often create the loudest results.